Now, before we move on to part three, I'm curious about those CPEOs you mentioned earlier. Certified Professional Employer Organizations. They seem like a pretty interesting type of third-party payer arrangement.
They take on way more responsibility for employment taxes than other third-party payers.
So they're not just helping with payroll and taxes, they're actually taking over those obligations.
Yeah. In a CPEO arrangement, the CPEO becomes the official employer for tax purposes. So they're the ones responsible for withholding, depositing, reporting, and paying all those employment taxes.
So the employer is basically handing over the keys to the kingdom.
But there are specific requirements and regulations for this type of arrangement, which the guide goes into detail about. And the guide points out that even though the CPEO takes on most of the responsibility, the employer still has some oversight.
So it's not like they're completely off the hook.
Nope.
So there's some protection for the employer. Communication is key. It's a complex landscape, but it's not impossible to navigate.
Exactly.